Hi everyone, welcome back to Jessie Lifestyle at Home. In today's video, we're going to be working in my backyard, my back deck area to be specific. It's looking a little worse for wear over the summertime. It's looking a little blah. I'm not doing anything too crazy. I just want to get out here and kind of tidy everything up and kind of take note of everything that we are going to need to do before we get back here and like restain the deck. I need some new furniture, a new table. As you can see, Malcolm had kicked a hole in the wicker of that table over there. I mean, it was pretty dry rotted, to be honest. It was a very cheap set that we had bought when we first moved into this house. Of course, I had my little helper there. So I'm sad to see it go because it was still a useful table, but now I'm ready to clean up everything, get rid of all of the water balloons that my husband and Malcolm did while I was away in Mexico the past weekend. I had an absolute blast at my sister's bachelorette party weekend. We went to Playa del Carmen, Mexico. It was amazing. I do have a vlog. I decided to just vlog every day, but compile it into one big video, and I will be posting that on my vlog channel really, really soon, probably tomorrow on Friday. As you can see, we have some boards that are remaining unstained. We replaced a bunch of deck boards last summer, and this spring, we are going to take everything off except for the hot tub. Take everything off and sand and restain the decking and replace any boards that might need it as well. But yeah, my deck is looking not so great. It's looking like a hot mess with just stuff everywhere. I'm just trying to tidy up so we can move on to the next stage. And Malcolm and my husband like to leave clothes everywhere. This is from getting into the hot tub over there, and they were playing with, like I said, plenty of water balloons. So there's just clothes everywhere, little toys everywhere. I'm just trying to just straighten up and make everything kind of neater. Thank you so much for Chita Living for sending me this 5-piece outdoor furniture set. It came in 3 boxes actually. Each box contained a chair and an ottoman, and then the table came in its own box. As you can see, everything had a sticker labeled with the correct piece, and there was each bag was individually labeled as well for all of the screws, the nuts, the bolts, everything that you need. It was a really quick and easy assembly. It took about 2.5 episodes of Grey's Anatomy to put together 2 chairs, 2 ottomans, and then take the table out of the box. And here's another look at the before space. We used to have a table there, but it really wasn't working out. So I'm really excited to have more comfortable seating out on the back deck, especially the swivel one, so you can kind of look around the yard, turn back to the conversation, and just like have more options for seating. This Chita Living 5-piece outdoor furniture set is perfect for any space, big or small. It is super comfortable, and it is definitely going to add to my back deck. If you are interested in purchasing one for yourself, you can definitely click the link in the description box below and get one for yourself. This is super luxe outdoor patio furniture. It's really comfortable. It looks really nice. And I love the fact that it swivels so I can look at my entire backyard all the way around, and it also rocks. I am definitely a rocking chair lover. I love anything that has movement, but it's also nice to be stationary and put your feet up. I have definitely enjoyed it, reading and just relaxing in the afternoon as the sun goes behind the trees. We turn on the fire pit because it's still a little bit chilly here, and it's a really nice place to spend my afternoon. So like I said previously, if you were in the market for a new outdoor patio furniture, you should definitely click the link in the description box below and check out this Chita Living 5-piece outdoor patio set. I love how it kind of fits in with the furniture that I already have up there. It's really going to make this deck a cozy space. We are back inside, starting in the living room. Everything is looking a little bit crazy and messy because of Malcolm, but you know, it's not as bad as having an entire like playroom messy. So I'm just going to go around and pick up everything and put them in their little plastic containers that they belong in. And I really need to do a deep clean on this rug. So I'm going to get out my big old Hoover Smart Wash and do a carpet cleaning session. I had such a good time on my sister's bachelorette party weekend in Mexico. It was so fun. I got a little bit of sunburn. We were, you know, like made sure we had a lot of sunscreen, and I tried to reapply it. But the UV levels were super high. So I got a little bit on my back and then a little bit on the top of my thighs. Got a little red, not like extreme. It didn't get sun poisoning, no peeling, no craziness, but it just got a little bit of burnt. And I also have a little bit of a crazy tan line up top as well. My bridesmaid dress is strapless. So now I need to figure out how to even out the crazy tan lines up top. And now that we are done with the bachelorette trip, we're done with the bridal shower, done with the bachelorette, we have like T-minus like a month before, give or take, before the wedding. And my sister has a ton of stuff to do. I have a ton of stuff to do to help her. I need to get my dress altered. I need to find outfits for everyone else in my family because, of course, pictures. Yeah, it's just going to be a crazy month of busyness. I'm using Sprayway and a microfiber cloth to clean the corners of this chair because Sammy likes to rub his face on it. And I try to do this probably like once a week to really clean and just kind of make the yuckiness disappear. Of course, when I clean, Malcolm wants to clean as well. I do need to get some more magic erasers because I do need to deep clean some of the writing off of this table. And then also there's still a little bit of like writing on the wall as well. So I need to get some of that foaming wall cleaner and another magic eraser to just kind of refresh spaces that got tagged by little Malcolm's graffiti. travel makes me absolutely exhausted. Like, getting to Mexico was such a big, huge feat because we decided to go up to Philly the night before, and then we had a 7 a.m. flight, which means we needed to get there at probably, I think we got there about 5 a.m. just to check in. You never know. Sometimes lines galore. We didn't know Philly airport, so we wanted to make sure we had enough time to get to our gate and figure things out. We were pretty much pushing it. We made good time in the morning, but I'm so glad we decided to stay the night before. But it just added an extra day of like travel and all that. And then of course on the way home, we got a ride from the resort and then had to navigate the Cancun airport, which is actually really small, but there's just a lot of people in that airport, and it's exhausting. So by the time we got home around 10:30 at night, I was just super tired, and then immediately had to jump into getting videos ready and, you know, spending time with Malcolm because he missed me a lot. I'm using the Hoover paws and claws on this carpet. It was just looking a little worse for wear, and I just wanted to run the carpet cleaner over it to kind of keep it nice and bright and white, and the colors and the carpet not matted, and just fluff everything up and make it smell amazing in here. Malcolm is definitely my little spider monkey climbing all over things. He missed me so much. He just was like, "Where'd my mommy go?" And then when I call him, he would tell me, "I want to go to Mexico." It was so sad. But look how gross this carpet was. The dirty water was absolutely disgusting. I have my normal concoction in my O-Cedar. It is hot water, a little bit of vinegar, and a little bit of Mrs. Meyer's. I do want to get the new O-Cedar mop and try it out. These mop heads keep popping off, even though I got a new mop head, like the plastic bit for the mop heads. You know, I just realized that I bought this in 2021 or 2022, so this mop is getting pretty old. So it might be time to look for a new alternative. My husband, of course, did a fantastic job of keeping the house clean and tidy and organized. The laundry didn't pile up. The dishes were, you know, rotated through the dishwasher. But there's certain things that he doesn't really remember to do, which is mop or, you know, get all the places, all the nitty gritty places. So I just wanted to make sure I gave everything a good mopping and clean. I also really wanted to hit the powder room, which is the main bathroom on the main floor that everyone uses. It's just easier to come in here and use the bathroom than it is to like go all the way into the master bathroom or primary bathroom. I'm using my little Rubbermaid to get under the lip of the sink with the blue Kaboom spraying everything. I want to rinse off my rag as well, because as I'm wiping, I'm also trying to get rid of the cleaner residue. This little Rubbermaid scrubber is really good for getting in all of the hard to reach crevices and add a little bit of scrubbing power. I also am using my Zip toilet bowl cleaner. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit while I wipe down the front of this cabinet. I can't believe I noticed that there is like a little bit of like chipping of the white cabinetry. We installed this in 2021, like February of 2021. It's just been so long. I cannot believe we've been in this house for 5 years. It's insane to me. But I just want to clean everything and wipe the walls down around the toilet because you know how that goes with toddler boys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it motivated you to tackle an area in your home. I'm so excited about working outside this year. I definitely want to add on to the landscaping and work on the back deck. Thank you so much to Chita Living for sending me that 5-piece outdoor swivel rocking furniture set. It is definitely going to be an amazing piece for my outside deck. So definitely check out the links below if you were looking for a really nice high quality furniture set.